is Jessamine, and I am back with a new YouTube video. Today's topic is going to be on retaliation on the job. Now, before we get into the topic, I do ask that you guys like, share, subscribe, as well as comment below and hit the notification bell to get the latest updates on my video. And please visit my website, www.jessamine-hr.com, to see things to do on the job, motivational Mondays, as well as who's hiring. So now let's get into the topic. Now, as I mentioned before, today's topic is going to be on retaliation on the workplace. Now, a lot of people fear this because this, your job is your livelihood. This is how you make your money for yourself, for your family. This is how you survive. So a lot of people won't file claims because they fear of retaliation. Now, when it comes to filing a claim, whether it's discrimination or anything that you suffer from on the job, you should file your claim. You need your voice to be heard, and make sure that people are aware of what's going on in the workplace. But when it comes to discrimination, you are protected under the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Now, with the Civil Rights Act of 1964, there are different titles. There's 11 titles. I'm not going to get boring on you guys, and I won't speak on all of the 11 titles. What I am going to speak on is Title 7. It is very broad. I am going to only speak on retaliation. And I speak on it because I hear that a lot of people fear retaliation when it comes to the workforce. So I wanted to make sure that I do a video on this so that people are aware of how they're protected from retaliation. Now, as I mentioned, Title 7 protects you from retaliation. Whether retaliation is whether it's you've got fired because you filed a claim, or you're being treated different from filing that claim. You're protected. Now, you can file your claim through your Human Resources Office or the EEOC, which is the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. If you feel that maybe working or speaking to HR may not do anything because you feel like HR is close to your superior, your manager, your boss, whomever, that you're filing a claim against, the EEOC would be the better route to go. I will leave a link below so that you can actually view the website. You can file a claim on the website, or you can file a claim via mail. I must stress that make sure that you file, you get the proper address to send the claim to, because each state has its own office. I'm only speaking on this because I want people to speak their voice. I want people to speak and have their voice to be heard, because a lot of people suffer discrimination on the workforce, whether it's sex, religion, their origin, and so many different brackets of discrimination, and they don't speak on it because either one, they don't know who to go to, two, they don't know the law. So I am just speaking so that people are aware that they are protected if, for instance, they file a claim and they're being treated differently. So again, don't fear to speak your voice. I am going to leave an actual link as well below on Title 7 Act so that you can look into it yourself. As I mentioned, it's very broad. It speaks on the type of discrimination on religion, your Sabbath, whatever, religion, sex, origin. It speaks on that, and I just wanted you guys to be aware of it. But again, don't be afraid to speak on it. Don't be afraid to speak up, so that other people who may be suffering the way that you're suffering would be okay to say, hey, if this person was able to get through it, I can get through it myself. Because a lot of people don't speak up because they fear the factor of retaliation, and that is not fair. So I hope that you guys found this information informative. I hope that you guys are now aware of the Title VII Act. And again, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on the videos that I post. I hope that you guys found this very informative, and I will see you guys on the next YouTube video. And again, please don't forget to visit my website, www.jesanine-hr.com, to see things to do on the job, off the job, as well as Motivational Mondays, and see who's hiring. All right, so I'll catch you guys on the next YouTube video.